Welcome. Today, we're diving into a recent update on Instagram that allows you to see when you sent a like in a group chat on your PC. This feature is particularly useful for keeping track of your interactions within group conversations. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open Instagram on your computer. You can do this by navigating to the Instagram website and logging into your account. Make sure you're using a compatible browser for the best experience. Next, look for the Messages icon located on the left menu of your screen. It resembles an envelope or speech bubble, and clicking on it will take you to your direct messages. Once you're in your messages, open the group chat that contains the like you're interested in. This will allow you to view all the messages exchanged within that group. Now it's time to find the like you sent. Scroll through the conversation until you locate your reaction. This might take a moment if there has been a lot of activity in the group chat. After finding your like, click on the three dots next to it. This icon typically represents more options and will provide additional details about your interaction. Finally, when you click on those three dots, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you'll be able to see the time when you sent that like. This feature adds a layer of transparency to your interactions and helps you manage your social engagements more effectively. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can now easily check when you sent likes in an Instagram group chat right from your PC. This new update enhances user experience by providing more control over how we interact with our friends and groups online. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on navigating social media updates.